Do you remember this homeboy I boasted about on Instagram? This is my TJ Maxx freaking fantastic find. I'm filling it in with some jars and the wrapping paper that was used to protect it as I transported it home. I'm in love with this. And as you can see in the beginning, it looks more like a cowboy than what I originally intended. This guy has to look sassy. So I found all of the greenery at home. Went with my mom today, and the plants were $5.99. I bought 2 of them, and I was gonna buy 3, but I thought that was overkill. I mean, 2 plants is overkill as it is, but I think it's perfect because I want him to look sassy. I already had these moss bags because I watched a YouTube video where the gals were recommending moss bags from the Dollar Tree. So I had these stashed in my craft drawers. And they really came in handy today because when you're looking from the top down, I don't want you to be able to see any of the lime green thingamajiggy that's used to put the plant inside. What is this called? I don't remember. My mom keeps these around because she loves to make floral arrangements. But this one I want to make on my own because it's my own idea. And yeah, just because. But anyways, once all that is in place, I really had to play with the fake plants because fake plants obviously look really fake. What I liked about these is that it has different color tones, like what happens in real plants. Usually the stems in real plants and all of the little vine looking things are a lot lighter than fake plants. So I had to really play with it to make his hair look really sassy. I am head over heels. I'm in love with Sassy Liam. That's his name. I'm still fixing all of the little plants that turn around. But the hardest part about all of this is always accessorizing. I want my dresser to look like a model home dresser. And even though I worked for interior designers before, this is a part that I really kind of struggle with. I know there's a rule of thirds and that odd numbers look better, but then when I look at inspiration pictures, there's always more books or weird things that just throw me off. But anyways, the geode was throwing me off. So what I ended up doing is I ended up settling with a couple of black books instead of the geode because the white is throwing me off for some reason. I don't know. Do you guys like the geode? Here's the set of books. I think this would look so cool on some shelves, but I don't have shelves for that wall. So this is how I settled. I found these really, really cool boxes for my junk at home. I love the texture of it. So I kind of wanted to condense this. I hate that space in the middle. What I ended up doing is I ended up pushing everything towards the middle. So I don't know. Give me some ideas. If you're an interior designer, what can I do? I know I need to hide that wire, but what else can I do to hide that blank space? At the end of the day, the goal was to create this sassy guy. So I got it done. I love him. I don't care if you don't. I love him.